Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to a new video, and thank you for stopping by to watch my video, and thank you for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how I make this crown. So if you are new in this channel, I am Maggie from Maggie Omorege Creativity channel. I have used it to style one of my beautiful friends from Brazil in one of my videos. I titled that video Nigeria Wedding, Edo Bridal Dress and Makeup. I will be putting the end screen at the end of my video, so you can as well watch it from there. I think it fits her more than me. I don't know, you will decide that yourself. But I will be showing you how I make this crown, and if you like what I do, don't forget to subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. And before we go, thank you all who have subscribed to my channel. I am really grateful, and it makes me to improve in all I am doing. I'm not joking. Go back and watch some of my video. You will see that there is improvement, all because of you guys. Thank you very much. And so let's move on to making this video. We need our measurements, we need a marker, we also need our wire cutter and a bender, we need our wire. Coral bead is first of all you need, except you are making it with another types of bead. The first thing we do, with the wire that you have cut out, you have to fill your bead with it, bend it and tie it to a circle position. I marked where my crown layers is going to start from and where it's going to end. I tie the other tinier wire to the wire. Pass 6 beads through the wire and cross in the wire after 3 beads. With that, it will form like an upside down V. I used to call it a pyramid. This is the form you are going to get. I will repeat the procedure until I get to the point where I marked.
Ici, à quoi on rien au wallet yo.
If you just want one layer of crown like this, so your work is finished, is done, finito, fetish, and s'acavò. But if you want to have another layer on top this layer, like I do, let me show you how I do that. So to climb and make another layer on top this, I will pass my wire through the 3 bead that is standing to come out on top of this upside down V or pyramid, anyhow we call it. My wire will come out from there. I will continue the same procedure that I did before So I will pass 6 beads and then cross in the next V. That is how we are going to end it as well.
I beg you, make it do good for us. I beg you, make it sweet for us. Brother, sister, uncle, auntie, mommy, daddy, make we come together, together as one.
Just try it out if you like it, and don't forget to give me a like if you do. And if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do. My daughter used to laugh me with that. Please do. So I love you guys. You guys are my rock, and thank you very much, and see you in my next video.